Alright, today I'm going to show how to fix the NVIDIA driver installation error. So before going to the video, please turn on the CC first updated. So first step is to reinstall NVIDIA application. For that, you need to press Windows R and then type appis.cpl. Over here, you need to uninstall your NVIDIA application and later you need to install it again. So our second step is to check internet connection. So for the quick fix, I'm just turn off and turn on the Wi-Fi. If you had using the Ethernet, you can troubleshoot it. So our third step is to update Windows. For that, you need to enter into the settings and the Windows update. Over there, you can check for update. If it shows any error, please troubleshoot it. For that, you need to check out another video how to troubleshoot it. So our fourth step is to use device manager. For that, you need to enter into the device manager and please do update the driver. If it's updated, uh, please leave it. It's not a big deal. So our fifth step is to run system file catcher. For that, you need to enter into the CMD. Over there, please open as run as administrator mode and please copy the prompt in the description and please have some patience to wait on it. It will take some time to fill it. So once it fill 100%, yeah, it's good to go. And then please restart it. Yeah, once you restarted your PC, please check whether the issue is solved or not. I'm damn sure the issue will be solved. So thank you guys. Thank you for watching. For more, subscribe TechCube. Bye bye.